Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to revamp your old belt. Instead of throwing it away, you can actually change it to Ankara belt. So we use this belt, evostic gum and Ankara fabric. So on your belt, I will just open it. This is the way it is, and I'll remove the edge also. So I'll apply gum to the belt. So I added gum to the belt and allow it to dry a little. Now I'm going to flip it over on my fabric. So I'm just going to trim off this fabric by ½ inch, leaving ½ inch on the both side. So I cut the fabric by half inch. So now we are going to add gum to the other side of the belt as well. I will allow it to dry a bit before we fold our fabric. So I've allowed the gum to dry a little bit, so I'm going to start folding in the Ankara fabric on the belt. So this is how the belt look like after we have wrapped it. Now I want to pierce back the hole that was inside the belt before we wrap it. I will make use of this stone with nail to open the hole back. So after piercing making a hole back inside the Ankara belt, this is the edge. I want to fix back the edge. This is how our Ankara belts look like. Tell me what you feel about this tutorial in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, this is the finished work of our Ankara belt.